Welcome back, everyone. It's just me, you, and the camera. I'm going to give you my take on the strategic Bitcoin reserve. But before I start with that, this is not for financial advice. I'm not responsible for any gains or losses, so keep that in mind. This is just news and my my take on the strategic Bitcoin. Before I start that, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me your take on the strategic Bitcoin reserve. Of course, let's get started. Of course, we all know that Donald Trump proposed a strategic Bitcoin reserve during his campaign and suggesting it could help address the national debt. Basically, what's intriguing is the possibility of expanding this reserve beyond Bitcoin. It could include other Made in America tokens like XRP and Solana. Of course, they both have strong ties to the U.S. ecosystem when it comes to cryptocurrency. The idea of a multi-asset crypto reserve, it does spark some debate, especially given the volatility and fluctuating value of cryptocurrencies. Of course, a lot of people would argue that why would we invest in our country's finances in something so volatile? Well, enough people buy into it. Of course, that stuff can, when I say stuff, the monetary value of XRP, Solana, and Bitcoin can increase when there's a lot of people investing, when the federal government's investing, along with other nations. I believe you'll see other nations that will invest as well. But of course, there's a challenge that lies there. The price does fluctuate, and their ability to maintain long-term value, which directly impacts the effectiveness of a reserve asset. There is support for multiple assets. Of course, you can see where Elon is invested in Doge. You can see where the Trumps are invested in XRP and Bitcoin. So you can see there's a lot of different coins out there that people are investing in, and many crypto advocates who view diversification as a way to mitigate risk. Neither XRP nor Solana are at the levels of Bitcoin in terms of market capitalization on price stability, which raises the question, what value would these assets need in order to reach or to have significant impact on the U.S. national debt? Of course, one thing we're not looking at, along with that being said, is the evaluation of Bitcoin. You're looking at 1 trillion. XRP, I think it's around $1 billion in volume and market cap. But once you start adding more money into those companies, those market caps, they're going to go up like any other company in the stock market. So that's something we have to keep in mind there. Of course, let's move to the main challenge. One of the main challenges will be ensuring that these assets, talking about XRP and Solana, are liquid and stable to be used as a reliable reserve. Once again, we're looking at market evaluation, market caps. We have to look at all that. The regulatory and legal hurdles surrounding crypto assets, particularly XRP. Of course, we know the legal challenges that it faces from the SEC. But there's complications there with any effort to use it in a national reserve. And that's where the executive orders that Trump signed, that's where those executive orders he signed, it's going to make more clarity. It's going to give crypto more clarity to move forward. In essence, while the idea of digital asset stockpile is an innovative concept, the viability of including XRP and Solana and how they would function alongside Bitcoin is still much up for debate. It raises fundamental questions about how government should engage in or with digital assets and the role of decentralized tokens that can play in traditional financial systems. Of course, one thing the government's going to have to do in the SEC, they're going to have to sit down and come up with more clarity once again and rules for the day-to-day operations of cryptocurrency. So to make it a true treasury item, to develop some ETFs, I think that would be the way to go about that. But anyway, that's pretty much my take on should XRP and Solana be used as a crypto. Anyway, that's what I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I'll see ya.